Tired of clicking through a million buttons on Gmail? Want to become a Gmail ninja and boost your productivity? Well, you are at the right place. I'm Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're going to explain all the keyboard shortcuts you need in Gmail. To use keyboard shortcuts on Gmail, first head to the settings menu at the top right, click on it. After that, click on see all settings. Now scroll down and you will see a keyboard shortcuts option. Now by default it is off. Just select the keyboard shortcuts on option, scroll down and now click on save changes. Now you can use all the keyboard shortcuts on Gmail. We'll start by showing you how to easily access the compose menu. To easily access it, just press C, and as you can see, the compose menu is activated. Now to open the compose menu in a new window, first let us close it. To open the compose menu in a new window, press D. And as you can see, you have a much bigger compose menu. Just close it. To search the mail, just press the slash on your keyboard and you will directly activate the search mail option. Now just open the email. I'll go with this email, and here if you want to open the more actions menu, just press dot and now access all the options. Now to open the move to menu, just press V and the move to menu will open. Here you can move this message to all the various folders that you have created. For example, here we have social, updates, forum, promotions, spam, bin. You can also create a new folder. Now to see the label as menu, press L. The label as option is activated. Now you can label this email depending on its content. Now, if you want to see all the keyboard shortcut options on your Gmail, just press the question mark button. And here are all the keyboard shortcuts that you need to know. Now that the composing options are done, let's head to the main Gmail homepage and see what keyboard shortcuts can we use here. For example, to open the inbox, press GI. We are already in inbox. First, let us head to some another folder, for example, start. Press GI, and as you can see, we are now in the inbox folder. To head to the starred chats, press GS, and as you can see, the starred chats are here. Let's head to the home page again. For snoozed conversations, press GB. As I currently do not have any snoozed conversation, so there is nothing, but as you can see, we are currently under the snoozed folder. Now to see the sent messages, press GT. And as you can see, these are all the messages that I sent. To go to draft, press GD. Here are the drafts. To go to all mails, press GA. Here are all the mails including the sent, starred, snoozed or drafts. Now to go to tasks, first let us go back to Gmail again. To go to tasks, press GK. And here you can see the task option open. Currently I have no task here. Here you can add tasks by clicking on the add a task button and go to a label, press GL. There are the labels: inbox, start, snooze, important, chat, sent mail, and schedule. Now, let's head to some keyboard shortcuts for keyboard formatting. When you are writing an email, here are the options that you can use. First, let us create a sample message to, let's say, XYZ. If you want to, for example, change the font of the sentence, press Ctrl Shift 5 and the font will change. Now, you can also press Ctrl Shift 6 to select the next font. Ctrl Shift 5 selects the previous font. Now, if you want to decrease the text size, press Ctrl Shift minus. As you can see, the text size has been decreased. Similarly, press Ctrl Shift plus and you can see the text size is increasing. After that, for example, if you want to convert this sentence or one word to bold, just press Ctrl B. To convert one word to bold, select the word and press Ctrl B. Now, if you want the sentence or the word to turn into italics, press Ctrl I. As you can see, the sentence has been turned to italics. Now, if you want to underline the sentence, just press Ctrl U. Or if you want to underline a word, press Ctrl Q. Easy, right? Now, if you want to, let us say, if you want to send a numbered list, press Ctrl Shift 7. And as you can see, the numbered lists have been activated. Now you can write any number, any sentence or word, press enter, and automatically the list will go on. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just like that. Press enter 2 times and the list will vanish. Similarly, if you want to create a bulleted list, press Ctrl Shift 8 and the bulleted list will appear. Press enter 2 times and the bulleted list will be gone. Now, to enter a quote, for example, press Ctrl Shift 9 and here you can enter a quote. Press enter 2 times to head to normal typing. For example, if I write something, or let's go here. Do watch the video at least once. If you want to align it to, let's say, center, press Ctrl Shift E. If you want to align this sentence to right, press Ctrl Shift R. And if I want to align this to the left, press Ctrl Shift L. Now, as you can see, this sentence has been formatted quite a lot. We have bold, italics, and underline. If you want to undo all the formatting, press Ctrl/, and as you can see, the sentence, in this sentence, all the formatting has been removed. Now, these are the shortcuts that you can apply when you are writing an email. Now let us see some other shortcuts that may come in handy if you are sending your email. Here's a sample email. Now, if you want to, let us say, add CC recipients, press Control Shift C, and you can add, for example, people. If you want to add BCC recipients, press Control Shift B. Here also you can add. Now, if you want to add a link, head to the email page and press Control K. Now, enter the text to display. For example, I want to display keyboard shortcuts. Now, you can either select the web address or the email address. We'll, for example, go with the web address, Candid.Technology, and when you press OK, here you can see the keyboard shortcuts. And if you click on the keyboard shortcut option, if you click on the keyboard shortcuts, here you can see a link to Candid.Technology. When you click on the link, the website of Candid.Technology opens. Now we'll see some action shortcuts for Gmail. If you want to select a conversation, press X and the conversation will be selected. Now if you want to star these selected conversations, press S. Now if you want to archive this conversation, press E. And as you can see, the conversation has been archived. If you want to, let's say, send this conversation to spam, first select it by pressing X and then press the exclamation mark. And as you can see, you will get a notification, spam reported, also block sender. Just press yes if you want to really block the sender. I don't want to block the sender. If you want to delete a conversation, first select it and then press the hash, which is at number 3 at the top. So you will have to press Shift plus 3. And as you can see, the conversation has been moved to bin. And if you want to, let's say, reply to a conversation, first select a conversation and then press R. If you want this conversation to be marked as read, select the conversation and press Shift I. Let's see some other shortcuts. Now to select all conversations, press star and A. Now to press star, you will have to press Shift 8A. And as you can see, all the conversations on this page has been selected. Now if you want to deselect, just press Shift 8, which is star and N. Now all the conversations or emails have been deselected. Now if you want to select only those emails that are read, so press Shift star and R. Now as you can see, only those emails that you have already read have been selected. To select those conversations that are unread, press Shift 8 and U. And as you can see, all the conversations that I haven't even opened yet are now selected. There are few start conversations. To select the start conversations, you will have to press Shift plus 8, which is star and S. As you can see, the start conversations are now selected. Now if you want to select unstart conversations, press Shift 8 and T. Now, barring these two Crunchyroll emails, all the others have been selected. To go to next page, press GN and you can see the page is being scrolled. To go back up, press GP. Now, to open a conversation, press O. It is usually the top message at the point or the conversation that you are selecting. For example, if I have selected this Swiggy email, I'll press O and it will open. If I haven't selected any messages, if I'll press O now, the Swiggy message will open. Now, if you want to go to the next inbox selection, press the tilde button at the top. And if you want to go back to the previous inbox section, press Shift and then tilde button at the top left of your keyboard. There are a few other shortcuts as well. For example, to select a conversation, press X, that we have already told you. Now, if I want to, let's say, report the conversation as spam, select the conversation and then press the exclamation mark. Now, select on report scam, or you can also unsubscribe. These are the Gmail essential shortcuts that you should know to use Gmail like a pro. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.